Hey guys, welcome to Universal Golden Films. Today we'll be solving a math problem of ratio and proportion. Let's get started. As you see, the question is a bag contains 25 paisa, 50 paisa, and 1 rupee coins in the ratio of 2:3:5, and it sums 385 rupees. Find the number of each type of coins in the bag. So let's start solving. First, you have to note down the ratios that are given in the question. They are, in this case, 2:3:5. Next, we note down the values of the different types of coins or etc. that are located in your question. As in this case, we have 25 paisa. 25 paisa also means 0.25 rupees, so we write it as 0.25. Next, we have 50 paisa. We write them as 0.5. Sorry for that. And we have 1 rupee coins and we write those as 1. Next, we do the multiplication process with the ratios and the values. So we do here, in this case, 2 into 0.25, which is 0.5. As you see, I wrote the values down here. Next, we have 3 into 0.5, which is 1.5. Then 5 into 1, which is 5. Now, it is time to calculate the number of each type of coins in the bag. So let's start. So the number, sorry for that, number of, we'll start with 0.25. So the number of 0.25 coins in the bag is. So the process starts here. So first, we calculate all the values that I've gotten, which are 0.5, 1.5, and 5. So we're calculating 0.25 coins in the bag. So we write 0.5 as we got that as a value for 2 and 0.25. So 0.5 would be the numerator, 0.5. Now for the denominator, we write the sum of the values, which are 0.5, 1.5, and 5. So the sum of the 0.5, 1.5, and 5 is 7. So we write 7 as a denominator. As 0.5 is from a value of 385 rupees, we write multiplied to 385. Sorry, 385. As I cannot do a multiplication sign from computer, so I'm writing multiplied. We do this because this 0.5 is from a value of 385 rupees. So off indirectly means multiplication. In multiplication, the denominator divides itself into the value that you're doing off. So 7 goes into 385 55 times. So we cancel that out and we write 55. And as we calculated that, we take out the 7 too. Now we do 0.5 multiplied to 55, which gives us a numerator of 27.5. Now for the denominator, we're trying to calculate the number of 0.25 coins in the bag, so the denominator would be 0.25. Now we calculate how many times 0.25 goes into 27.5. The answer would be 110. So there it is. We calculated how many what the number of 0.25 coins in the bag, which is 110. Now let's go into the next step. Let's try to calculate the number of 0.5 coins in the bag. So number of 0.5 coins in the bag, and now we solve. So we write the value of 0 0.5 and 3 as the numerator. That would be 1.5, and the denominator would be as usual 7, and this would be multiplied to 385, as that's the total value. Now again, 7 goes into 385 55 times. We cancel that out and we take this out. Yes. Now 1.5 multiplied to 55, which would give us, I would leave this to you guys so you can solve. I'll give you 10 seconds. Try to solve it and tell it to me. Your time starts now. Okay, your time's up. I gave you 12 seconds. I hope you got the answer, which it would be 82.5 by, okay, so what are we trying to solve? The number of 0 0.5 coins in the bag. So we do 82.5 by 0 0.5. I'll solve this. So this would be 165. So we solved this too. So the number of 0 0.5 coins in the bag would be 165. Okay, now let's do the last step. So number of 1 rupee coins in the in the bag would be, so the value of 5 and 1 would be 5. So 5 by 7 multiplied to 385. Okay, now again 7 goes into 385 55 times. So we can take this 5 out. Okay, now I'm leaving this to you. 5 into 55 calculated. Okay, time's up. The answer would be 275 by, okay, we're trying to calculate 1 rupee coin, so 1. As everybody knows, 1 goes into 275 times. So here we go. We calculated the sum. So the number of 25 rupees, 0 0.25 coins in the bag would be 110. Number of 0 0.5 coins in the bag would be 165. And the number of 1 rupee coins in the bag would be 275. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. If you have any doubts in maths, just type it in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel, and like and share. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.